Stop making basic sobolo. Try this instead. This is the best sobolo recipe you'll find online today. Rich, fruity, and honestly, it tastes better than wine. I've made sobolo on my channel before, but this is my exotic pineapple sobolo and it takes the flavor to a whole different level. I'm going to show you the exact method that I make this more flavorful, richer, and perfectly balanced. Perfect for summer gatherings or just when you want something refreshing and healthy. Let's start with our ingredients. Over here we have some hibiscus leaves, one whole pineapple, 2 sticks of celery, one big orange slice, some ginger, cloves, grain of saline, and cardamom. Please don't omit the cardamom, and as compared to my previous video, I didn't add any cardamom to it. I start by washing my hibiscus leaves properly, then I add them into a pot. Next, I added the spices, which is the cardamom. I add all of the cardamom, half of the cloves, grain of saline, and the ginger. Went ahead to cover and bring this to a first boil. This step is very important because it helps extract that deep, rich hibiscus flavor, so don't skip it. Whilst that's boiling, let's make our exotic pineapple juice. Into a blender, I'm adding the pineapple chunks, the rest of the ginger, the spices, and some water. I'm gonna blend that until smooth. Then I will strain it using a cheesecloth to get a smooth, rich juice and set aside. If you've been watching me till now, why don't you subscribe and join the family? And if you are a new or a returning viewer, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like and share for me. Now my hibiscus is ready, so I'm going to strain the juice into a bowl and set it aside to cook. In my previous video, I did the same exact method. This is how my mom used to make her sobolo, and it's always turned out rich and so flavorful. Then I go back and boil the leaves again for the second time, and this time I'm going to go ahead to add the celery, sliced oranges, the blended pineapple and ginger from earlier, and some water. I'm gonna stir everything to combine, then I'll cover and bring it to a second boil. As you saw from the video, I rinsed the blender and added it. These steps build even more flavor, adding the citrus freshness and depth to the drink. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, this recipe is very simple, easy, yet so delicious. It's been boiling now for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna remove it from the heat, and in a new pot I add some sugar and the pineapple juice that we strained from earlier. I'm gonna go ahead to stir it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the sugar dissolves and the color becomes bright and beautiful. You want to cook it until the water reduces. Then you're gonna go ahead to remove it from the heat and set it aside. Now for the best part, that is assembling everything. Everything has cooled down right now, so you're gonna go ahead to pour your cold soboro into a pitcher, add your exotic pineapple mix, stir it together. Serve over ice and enjoy. This right here, refreshing, flavorful, and absolutely perfect. If you love Sobolo, you need to try this version. Let me know in the comments, do you like your Sobolo classic or exotic like this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. I'm gonna go ahead to leave my other Sobolo recipe down below if you wanna check that one out too. That is equally delicious. Thank you. Bye.